There may be occasions when you will want to transfer the entire contents of one dictionary into another. There are several ways that you can combine two dictionaries. In this lesson, we'll show you two methods. One is drag and drop, and the other is include. Let's suppose that you are a reporter working with a scopist. While editing a job for you, the scopist created d-defines in a file called update area. The scopist backed up that file, sent it to you, and you have restored it. By the way, don't worry about backing up and restoring right now. Those topics are covered in the Managed Jobs lessons. Both the update area created by the scopist and your personal dictionary files are located inside your System Files case, so I'll open up that case by double-clicking. When both files are in the same folder, it's very easy to combine the two dictionaries via drag and drop. First, click the source dictionary. That's the dictionary that has the entries you want to transfer. With the left mouse button held down on the selected file, drag it over to the destination dictionary, the dictionary where you want those entries to be stored. When you see that the destination file is highlighted, release the mouse button to drop it. Case Catalyst will ask you to confirm that you want to include all of the entries from the source dictionary into the destination dictionary. I do, and so I'll go ahead and click Yes. If the source dictionary contains a steno outline that already has a different matching entry in the destination dictionary, the duplicate entry dialog box displays and prompts you to select the most appropriate action. You will select Old Text if the entry that is already in the destination dictionary is correct and you don't want the new entry to overwrite it. You will select New Text if the entry that is in the source dictionary is the correct entry and you do want the new entry to overwrite the old entry. You will select Create Conflict if both of the text entries are correct and you want them both combined into a conflict. You will select Keep Neither if neither of the text entries are correct and you'd prefer that they both get thrown out. If you write that steno again, it will appear as an untranslate. Apply this choice to the rest of the duplicate entries for this include would apply whatever choice you make. Keep old text, keep new text, create conflict, or keep neither to all of the remaining duplicate entries, and stop prompting you for a decision on each individual duplicate entry. For this particular item, the steno could easily mean either spray or stray, so I'm going to select Create Conflict and then click OK. This steno was previously defined as the name Tom and has now been redefined as tomorrow. The steno I usually write for tomorrow is TORM, and this steno is correct for Tom. As I want to keep Tom for this steno, I'll click Keep Old Text, then click OK. This steno was previously defined as the name Mark and now has been redefined as the word Mark. Although this would appear to be a conflict, I've recently changed the way I write the name Mark. I now write it with an asterisk, M-A asterisk final R-K, so the lowercase mark is correct for this steno. As Keep New Text is already selected by default, all I need to do is click OK. When all entries have been included, Case Catalyst prompts you to delete the source dictionary, in this instance, the update area. Once you have successfully included the entries into the personal dictionary, there is no need to also keep the entries stored in the update area, so I'll go ahead and click Yes to confirm that the update area should be deleted. Another way to transfer entries from one dictionary into another is to use the include command in the Manage Dictionary function. To show you how to use that method, I'm going to include a job dictionary into a case dictionary. In the Odell v. Wolf manufacturing case, the first job I edited was the 10-14-11 Bros job. When I edited that job, I made a number of J-defines that probably should have been K-defines. Every time I translate a new job in that case, I have to remember to select the 10-14-11 Bros job dictionary. I could save myself that extra click by including that job dictionary into the case dictionary. It's very simple. I just open up the destination dictionary, in this case the Odell v. Wolf manufacturing case dictionary. Then I'll press F9 to include. Just like in Edit, F9 here in Manage Dictionary also means include. Next, I'll tell Case Catalyst which dictionary I want to include by browsing for it. And here it is, the 10-14-11 Bros job. I'll go ahead and click Open. Here, Case Catalyst warns me that if I want to go ahead and include this dictionary, I will lose the ability to undo or redo any prior actions. For example, suppose before I had started to use the include function, I deleted an entry in this case dictionary or I modified an entry. If I wanted to undo those changes, I'd have to undo them before I started including entries from another dictionary. I haven't done any editing to the Odell v. Wolf Manufacturing Case Dictionary, so I can safely go ahead and click Yes and confirm that I'm ready to proceed. All of the entries from the 10-14-11 Bros job have been included into the Odell v. Wolf Manufacturing Case Dictionary. Evidently, there were no entries with duplicate steno, as Catalyst didn't ask me to make any decisions. So now, Catalyst asks whether I want to keep the source dictionary, the 10-14-11 Bros job dictionary, or if I want to delete it. There's really no practical reason to keep it, so I'll go ahead and click Yes. And last, just close and save the changes to the destination dictionary. That's all there is to combining two dictionaries. Either click, drag, and drop one dictionary file onto another, or open the destination dictionary, press F9 to include, and select the dictionary you want to include. If there are any entries in both the source and the destination with duplicate steno, you'll make a decision about which entry you want to keep. Now would be a great time to practice including one dictionary into another. You can go into the training user and follow the directions for Exercise 3 in the Manage Dictionary practice document. When you're ready, you should proceed to the next lesson.